Sometimes life calls for comfort food, and when you've got a few leftover lasagna noodles, these chicken cordon bleu roll-ups are just what you need. Layers of chicken, ham, and cheese smothered in alfredo and rolled up into a delicious and easy dinner. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. If you've made lasagna and have about 4 noodles left over, this recipe will help you use them up in a delicious way. But first, add about 10 ounces of chicken to a pot of water and boil them until they're tender and able to be shredded. While that's happening, let's grab some mascarpone cheese and light alfredo sauce for our filling. In a bowl, add about a 1/4 cup of mascarpone and a 1/4 cup of alfredo sauce. Give it a stir until combined and add a few chopped basil leaves. Once the chicken is done boiling, move it to a bowl to be shredded. Reserve the brothy water and add your lasagna noodles. I like to crisscross them because it helps them not stick together as they boil. Boil for 8 to 9 minutes or until al dente. Get 4 slices of good ham and cube it into bite-sized pieces and then shred your chicken. Pour a little alfredo in the bottom of an 8x8 pan and heat your oven to 375 degrees. Place your boiled lasagna noodles on a plate and it's time to fill them. Layer some of the alfredo mascarpone mixture onto the noodle and spread it out evenly over the length of the pasta. Then sprinkle the shredded chicken on top. Hit it with your favorite spices like black pepper and garlic powder. Now layer the bits of ham on top. Finally, layer some shredded Swiss cheese over the ham. Gently roll the lasagna noodle up, making sure that nothing falls out of the sides. Place them in the 8x8 pan and repeat. When all of the roll-ups are ready, generously slather them with light alfredo sauce. Place a few ham bits on top and then sprinkle with a serving of Swiss and cover with foil. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes and then allow to cook uncovered for 5 more minutes or until the top is bubbly. Chicken cordon bleu roll-ups are truly one of my favorite comfort foods. The classic taste of ham and cheese with chicken is given a comfort food kick with the pasta. It's a filling meal for 2 and an impressive dish for a first date. I was told that I could make this anytime I wanted, and it's so easy, I think I will. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.